Matang lawin.
Did you stop it?
Yeah. Wait lang. Bakit parang malalaglag?
Ma?
Parang malalaglag.
Korea Development Bank. Songsan-dong. Oh, I want to wear that one too.
What?
A mask.
Buy one.
Oh,
Convenience store.
I only have 2,000 Korean dollars. Korean won, I mean. Oh. Oh, it's our
Uy,
first
ang
time to go
cute.
here.
Baka
Have
kaya
it.
tayo.
But
Wag na, baka mapabili na naman tayo.
we only have 2,000 Korean won.
Oh, where?
We only have
I brought
Ichon.
3.
Oh, I only brought 2 because you said to me you will only bring.
Kaya mo yan.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh, we're on the different side of Hongdae.
KFC, oh.
Where exactly we are right now? We are still in Hongdae, but I don't know which part of Hongdae or which street. Oh my gosh, is that a red tent or a white tent?
Oh, you are.
Right, but it doesn't have sojus or chairs. Diba red tent? Oh, oh look!
What?
We have to cross the street. There's something over there.
I know.
I don't know what is it, but it looks like may shopping din.
Oh, annoying.
That's so, you know, we are lover haters.
Uy. There's no pedestrian here.
Where can we
Oh,
cross the
diba?
street? We
Tamad.
really have to.
Paangkas naman po. Ayaw niya.
You know, when you are talking sa mga Koreans, you have to speak in Tagalog so that they won't be able to understand it, because in English, you might be able to understand it.
Hindi ikaw na may opa.
Di ikaw na.
Nag-break na siya.
Uy, move mo naman parang talikod mo. Parang mababagsak na yung phone ko.
Really?
Yeah, it looks like it's going to fall.